You're welcome to my show, Jeff Owolewa TV. Today, ní gbogbo àwọn ọmọlẹ́yìn ọ̀gá ńlá ìjọba Fuji, Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma, which one of them do you think is actually carrying that torch, that flag? Because I saw a couple of videos. I saw Alhaji Taye Currency's videos. He said some things, about when he went to Canada to perform, that it was actually paying homage to the iconic Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma.
àwọn tó ṣe kọ̀rọ̀kọ̀rọ̀ báyìí ìwọ tí màṣẹ mú yín kiri òun lẹ́ ń gawú sínsìn òun lẹ́ fi ń kọ́ bọ́ọ̀dì tẹ́mi bá fẹ́ gàhùn sí máa so mo tó bẹ́ẹ̀ mo jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ máa so òun tó lọ ń ṣe fún mi èsì bó já bàtà ni ṣùgbọ́n tí máa ní bá so ọ̀gá yín abẹ́ ń ṣe bá a ṣe ọ̀gá yín.
Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma has contributed a lot to the influence of Fuji music on the younger generation. So now, out of all the proteges that have been flying the flag of Oganla Fuji, which one of them do you think is actually flying that color? Like, which one of them do you think is actually representing the most? Because I made a video about Tiri, I made a video about Sharafa Adigun. Then in that particular equation, I'll be putting Alhaji Taye Currency in that particular equation. Then and a lot of other guys. But out of all these guys that I've mentioned and the ones that I've not mentioned in this video, which one of them do you think is actually representing the iconic style? Because when you look at Tiri, I said it the other time. I said Tiri is one person that vocally he has taken a lot from Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma, to the point that even when he is on stage, you will feel like you are actually watching Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma singing on stage. His movement, his charisma, physically, vocally, and sometimes, I saw his video recently, some of his videos, he was actually talking, he was actually sounding like Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma. Then, another question I want to throw to you guys in this video: which one of Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma's mentees do you think Pasuma actually is fond of? Kò sí bó ṣe máa bímọ, kó bímọ 20, ó máa like kan jù kan lọ. Do you get? Ó máa kò sí bá yẹ fẹ́ ṣe, even Ọlọ́run gan tó dá wa gan, ó like àwọn kan jù àwọn kan lọ. Yes, no doubt. So now, I saw some videos of Alhaji Wasiu Alabi Pasuma. I kind of feel like he is gravitating more towards Tiri. And when you check Tiri, his style,